everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Enable Camera Access issue on Instagram. If you are seeing this message, it means Instagram doesn't have permission to access your camera. Here how to fix it. First, open your phone settings and scroll down to find Instagram. Next, tap on Instagram to open the app settings. Under permissions, make sure the camera is toggled on. If it's off, tap on it and switch it to allow. This will give Instagram the access it needs to use your camera for stories, reels, and direct messages. Now go back to Instagram and try opening the camera again. It should work without any issues. Finally, if this still doesn't work, try restarting your phone. Sometimes, a quick reboot will refresh the permissions and fix the problem. Once your phone is restarted, check again and you should be good to go. And that's it! Now your Instagram has full camera access. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!